Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share your list with others in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do you know that I have already logged into my account? In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply focus on the navbar. On the almost rightmost section, you can see something like Accounts and List. Simply hover over it, and it's gonna provide you with these two options, that is your list and your account. We're not going to focus on this your account section, but rather than that, we're going to focus on this your list section. There are two lists that I had previously created. I'm going to select one at random, and as you can see, currently my list is in public. If you want to change it to private, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply try to send our list to others. Right next to this more button, you can see something like Send List to Others. Click on this button right now. Now it's going to give you two options, whether you want to invite someone to view only or view and edit. Well, it's up to you. For now, I'm gonna click on this view only thing, and as you can see, something like this opened up. Well, right here, here's copy link and invite by email. Well, it's up to you, but for now, I'm just gonna click on copy link, and now you can share this link to anyone you like. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your list with others in your Amazon profile. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.